What's going on, y'all? So in this video we're going to be replacing the stock exhaust from the header back. The cat went bad after the computer caused it to run overly rich. Currently the stock exhaust is a 2-inch pipe with the secondary cat still intact, the factory resonator, and the stock muffler. The front cat we got rid of because the manifold cracked and it was cheaper to buy a header than buy a new manifold with a cat. So let me show you the stock exhaust now, and then we'll go over the parts we're going to use. So we're going to run 2.5 inch from the header back. We've got a magnaflow catalytic converter, a vibrant performance resonator, and a GREDDY 2.5 inch inlet, 4-inch outlet muffler. Starting with the magnaflow, we went with a small cat. Keep us some ground clearance and keep it tight in there. 2.5 inch inlet and outlet, stainless steel. Then working our way over here, we'll have the vibrant performance resonator, which is still in its wrap, but it's a 2.5 inch outlet and inlet. Sorry, trying to do this one-handed. Polished stainless resonator from Vibrant. Heard they make really good products, so go with that. Sorry guys, I'm kind of trying to do this one-handed here. Then we're gonna do, I'll show you guys the stuff in the background. We're gonna do GREDDY Revolution RS muffler. This is 2.5 inch inlet, 4-inch tip, stainless muffler. Bear with me, I'm going to pause you guys for a second here. Alright, and we're back. Sorry guys. 2.5 inch inlet, 4-inch outlet. Now, they make these with a bolt-on tip or a welded-on tip. I didn't like the look of the bolts. I like that clean, welded look. That's going to be looking good on this thing. Now we'll get over to the miscellaneous pieces back there and show you guys what we got going on. Here we have some 7/16 inch hangers that go for the back of the car, because on these Mazdas the back hanger is 7/16, and then the front hanger is a 3/8. Now these use 4 hangers, 2 in the rear, 2 up front. I just have extra hangers just in case. We've got silicone intakes, 2.5 inch V-band clamps and collectors. And then we have this exhaust adapter. And like I said, guys, sorry, my hands are trying to do as much as I can. 2-inch into 2.5. The game plan is to cut this as short as possible and then weld it to the factory collector at the header. That way it goes to 2.5 as quick as possible. Now, the pipe work. This is hard to see, but this is a mandrel bent kit, and I have a still shot. I'll show you guys. I got off of eBay for about 80 bucks. So we're going to take all this over to Mitch, have him work his magic. Then the game plan is I want to maintain a stock style, straight out the back exit. I don't need any kick sideways or anything else. So that's what we're going to do. Let's get this thing over to Mitch, and we'll show you guys when it's done. So we got word that Lightning Bug is done. You guys can see, got family hauler loaded up. Got the missus next to me. I know she doesn't like being on camera, so we'll leave her off of this. But we're gonna go pick up this car and see how it turned out, and let you guys hear what it sounds like. Well, this has been idle for a few months. I've kind of been meaning to finish this video and never got around to it. So, I'll go ahead and show you guys the end results of how the exhaust sounds. This is after a couple hundred miles put on it. This isn't fresh out of the shop, so I do apologize for the delay. Kind of been busy with family and other projects. So let me just show you quick clips of drive-by, takeoff, part throttle, and full throttle. Thanks for watching, y'all. We do have a couple of gremlins to fix on the exhaust, but that'll be something we hit at a later date. As he stated, we're going to end it here. God bless. Take care. If you like what you saw, click the like and subscribe button.